Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing A. Kato and I'm back with another video. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup transformation from this to this. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get right into it. I know I look crazy, but pardon me guys, it's all the process. So guys, the first thing I want to do is to wipe my face with a wiper before moisturizing my face. And I'm going ahead to apply a primer, and I'm using my homemade makeup primer. I'm going ahead to apply foundation, and I'm using the Mary Kay foundation in the shade 708 and 607. I'm going ahead to blend the foundation with the LiQWYD buffer brush. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply concealer, and I'm going to be using two shades. I'm using a technique from the UK Black Girl Makeup. So I'm going to be using a lighter shade and a darker shade. So if you want to create a UK Black Girl Makeup, you can actually use this concealer technique. I'm going ahead to blend the concealer with the LiQWYD concealer buffer. So guys, I'm going ahead to contour, and as you all know, I love applying the blush and the contour together and blend it all out. This is literally what I use. Why do I always do this? I do this because the foundation I use for my contour is not as dark as I would want it, so I apply blush and contour and the foundation, then blend it all out to give me a darker shade. So that's why I literally do this, and I love this technique so much. So guys, I'm going ahead to set my entire face, and I'm using the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02 light. I already went ahead to draw my brows, and I'm using the concealer to clean up the brows and also blend it out as a base for my eyeshadow. So guys, I'm going for a simple pink eye look, and that's literally just it. Not too much drama on my eyes, and that's it. I'm going ahead to line my eyes, and I'm using a black pencil to line my eyes. For a while now, I've not been loving using an eyeliner, so I prefer using a black pencil because it actually makes things much easier for me. I'm going ahead to blend my entire face with the Knotless repressed powder, and I'm going ahead to set my entire face with my homemade setting spray. To line my lips, I'm using the Davis Brand pencil in the shade 003 to line my lips, and I'm going for a nude shade lipstick. Like, I don't know, I've been obsessed with this particular lipstick. Like almost all my videos for some time now, I'm using just this lipstick, and I love it so much. It's giving me that aura vibe that I want, and that's why I keep on using it. So I'm actually going ahead to use a clear gloss. This actually makes everything go crazy, like makes everything go crazy. You get the gist. So this is literally my lip combo for you. Guys, this is one routine I can never miss. I love applying blush. Girl, like this is literally everything. This completes everything. Even if I don't go in with an highlighter, I make sure I go in with my blush, and I love using a red blush. It pops, like it brings out everything. Guys, look at that. Look at how it's popping. This is literally it for me, guys. So guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look. This is the transformation we just created, guys. Like, and I'm so loving it. Like, look at the hair, look at the flawless makeup. It's the transformation for me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is literally all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye for now.